I'm going to be teaching you how to draw a face in real time, so let's get into it. For the front-facing view, you just want to draw a circle. So I'm going to draw the circle really kind of dark because I want you guys to see it. But you want to make it light. Then a middle line. Then this line right here. And then we're gonna add a line at the end of the circle where we're going to use it to know where the jawline starts. So we're going to make the jawline now by drawing these two lines at the sides of the circle, then bringing them down so that we can create the chin. And now we have the basic head, and this is where the ears are going to start. Basically, the ears are just going to be both of these lines within these two lines. And for the ears, I'm kind of used to drawing them, so the inside is just simple for me. It's not even that correct, but I basically just draw it like this. Sometimes I draw it with these lines inside, but sometimes I don't. Then this other line inside. It's hard for me to know the correct terminology, so bear with me. So we're gonna shade it at the end, but for now we're just gonna learn how to draw it. So this is a line where basically it's where the eyes are gonna be, but really below the line, not on top. And this is a line, it was for the jawline, but it's going to indicate, it's gonna tell us where the nose and the mouth are going to be. So for the nose, we're gonna kind of pull the line a little bit upwards, and this is gonna be kind of our guide for where the nose is going to be. Honestly, might even make it longer actually. And we might need to adjust the jawline. But for now, this is where the nose is going to be. And then I'm drawing these lines outside of it, so we know where the eyes are going to start. And I want the eyes to end around that line. I usually don't do these guidelines, but it does help for everything to be symmetrical. So basically I just draw this half circle looking thing, then another half circle, but it doesn't start till about here. And then we're going to try to do that again. So now it's basically symmetrical. And then we're going to draw the upper eyelid, which is the same thing as here, just pull it up. And you can add this lower eyelid if you want. And then the irises. And then we could draw the cornea. I think that's the name. I don't even know. Probably got iris wrong too. I guess for the lights, the white of the eye, or light of the eye, like the glimmer, we could erase some of this. Unless you have a Posca marker, then you could just add it without erasing anything. Then for, we actually can erase these lines because we don't really need them. Now we're going to draw the nose. It's basically this tiny V-looking shape right here. Then the nostrils are just kind of two lines on the side. And then these curves at the end. Now we're going to draw the mouth, and I'm going to draw like the middle of the mouth first. So basically, that's it for the mouth, and I'm gonna bring the jawline down more. And we can't forget the eyelashes. Kind of just want to swoop them like this. They don't need to be perfect, because nobody's eyelashes are really perfect anyway. And then the lower eyelashes. Now we're going to do the eyebrows, which can start right here. And they can end at wherever the eye ends, right here. I can never get the eyebrows symmetrical. Now we're going to shade it. I'm gonna just draw the neck because I just want to, but this is a face tutorial. But still, I just want to. And we're going to draw the hair too, but this isn't a hair tutorial, so, I mean, I don't know. I'll do it, I'll show you guys. But first we're going to shade. I guess the light's gonna come from over here. And so, just simple shading, like, I guess we can kind of do a hatching style or whatever. So basically, just weird triangle looking shape. I don't even know what to call it. Then I want to make the eyelids look more 3D, so I'm making them darker, then fading them out. Sorry that the camera is probably moving right now, but that's because I'm doing a DIY tripod because my tripod it's not an overhead tripod, so had to make do with what I have. And then some shading at the end of the face right here. Then the lips. Then I guess we could shade the nose. Just think of the face like a 3D plane. Like if you look at your eraser, if you look at your eraser, my light's coming from here, so it's lighter here, but on this side it's darker. So I guess that's how you can look at it. And yeah, that was a horrible explanation, but I don't know how to explain those things. Then the ears are gonna be, this ear is gonna be darker because it's not facing the light. And now, can shade here on the forehead, but once we add the hair, I'm gonna shade more of it. Also, the eyes, we can shade the iris in. Then the whites of the eye. just to make it look more like, you know, an eyeball. Now I'm gonna just do the hair real quick. It's not gonna be that good. I always do some like short thing like this. And we're just going to, well, I'm gonna just shade in here. And, well, I don't feel like shading the actual hair because this isn't a hair tutorial. If you have anything you'd like to learn in the future, please put it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you'll enjoy these ones too.